What is up, you guys? Welcome back to, or welcome to my channel if you're, okay, that was awful. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to, or welcome to, or welcome back, welcome to, or back to. What do YouTubers say? I don't know. I don't know how to do this. What is up, you guys? Well, oh God, that was intense. Okay, let's try this like 10 more times. What is up, you guys? Welcome to or back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys here, and I'm so happy to be back. Let's not talk about the absence again because I'm honestly quite sick of talking about it. Let's just say that I'm super inspired right now, and I can't wait to make more videos and more college videos and more college week in my lives. Okay, I could ramble on about like the videos I'm gonna make, but I'm not gonna do that because I want to keep this intro short and sweet. So I kind of want to just make a quick little intro clarifying a few things. You can probably tell that I'm not in the dorm that is in the thumbnail, or maybe you don't know, but I'm not. I actually transferred from UW-Milwaukee to Minnesota. However, the dorm that you're seeing is at UW-Milwaukee. I actually filmed this video like back in like April, I want to say, and I was sick during it. Like, I'm sick now. I promise my voice does not usually sound like this, at least I hope not. And I wanted to film it because I was actually moving like within the next month, and I was like going back home a few times to my hometown and bringing stuff back. I wanted to get the dorm tour filmed like while everything was still up on my walls and all of that stuff. So I wanted to clarify that. Also, I want to touch base on like my roommate situation really quick for my dorm, or last year, I guess. How Milwaukee is structured is it's like suites, so there's a common area and then there's 2 bedrooms, and you either have like a roommate, suite mates, or typically you have 3 other girls that you're sharing the bathroom with. However, I did have a roommate. I had 2 different roommates last year. So I had a roommate. She actually transferred at semester. However, at semester, my suite mate moved into my room, so she basically moved like right across the hall. Shout out to Jenna if you're watching this. Hi, miss ya. So I will link the blog post to my dorm tour. I have like super cute pictures in there. Definitely go check that out. However, I do want to like specify that it does look a little bit different because I had 2 different roommates, so like they kind of like swapped stuff, and like the stuff that we had was just a little bit different. But it's still super cute either way. Anyway, I'm gonna stop ranting right now and let you guys get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy and get a few ideas. Let's get started. Okay, so starting off, when you walk in through the door right here, okay, so to the left, there's like 4 hooks. This one, I just keep 2 of my coats here, winter, because unfortunately in Wisconsin, it is still freezing out. So yes, in April, I still need my winter coat, and unfortunately, still need my winter boots. I was gonna send them home, but I didn't want to jinx myself, so kept them here for a little bit. And then I'm like a big snack person, so like pretty much all of these are mine.
Some of my roommates have water here. I have potatoes, 2 in the microwave, Gatorade, juice boxes, that might be 4-year-old, the veggie straws, and then animal crackers. I think they're all from Costco. I highly recommend buying in bulk if you have the room to store it.
And then you just walk straight ahead, and I'm super fortunate to only have to share a bathroom with 2 other girls. I don't know where the shower curtain is from. Someone else got that. You go back here. There's actually a lot of storage. There's a bunch of shelves. We each kind of just picked one. We don't really have anything on the top shelf. I actually bought this over the door hanging thing. I don't know, you can get them pretty much anywhere. I think I got mine at Home Goods. I'm pretty fortunate to have a super big bathroom and not a community shower because I don't think I could do that. Props to the people that do though. I am also super fortunate to have a full-size fridge, and we have these also. They're like super deep. I'm 5'10", and I can't even like reach up top, so we actually got this huge step ladder. Those are super nice. They go super far back, and then we just have bread and brownies and I don't know, a bunch of random stuff. Not only do we have a sink in the bathroom, we also have a pretty nice sized common area. This is kind of what we call it. We kind of hung these Christmas lights around to try to make it a little more fun, I guess. So we all actually have a drawer, and I just keep like toothbrush, everyday stuff in there. So then we circle back around, and then that is my suite mate's room. Right over here is my roommate's room, and then this picture is actually I actually made it, and then my roommate has a microwave and then a Keurig that we all use. Those 2 containers in the back are from Target Stellar section. My tea from Tivana, and then I pretty much store all my mugs under there. and a NutriBullet. Okay, so what you guys have probably all been waiting for is the actual room tour. So this is, I'll just give you a quick overview. I'm not going to show too much of my roommate's side just because privacy reasons, and I don't know. I'll just show you, this is my side right here. And then, as I said, this is a bigger than the normal dorm that I've seen. So then to the right, or like behind the door, is kind of this, it's pretty big closet for most dorms. So this is my side. Right here is my roommate's side. So I'll just give you a quick overview. Honestly, I think I could have like decorated or organized it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. I think all dorms can be decorated a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, but I did my best. So don't mind that ugly arrangement down there. That's just like plastic silverware and stuff I use like every day, so I just have it pretty much available. This hanging like shelf, it could obviously be a lot more organized. Actually refolded everything like a few weeks ago and it's already like kind of messy, so I just kind of gave up. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond, I'm pretty sure, but I'm almost positive you can get it at like Target or anywhere else. I just have belts hanging up there in the corner. I have my pink hunter boots, love those. Okay, so then coming down here, there is where my hanging clothes are, I guess. I don't really have them, like, I have them organized, but not in too much like of a special way, so I would do a closet tour for you guys, but this is about it. And then below that, I just have a pink laundry basket. I think it's from, I don't even know, Target or Walmart. And then I just literally throw my shoes in here because I think it's the easiest way to do it, personally. And then I have a couple, like, my Timbs on the side. This is just like a extra laundry bag for when I'm actually doing laundry. So then on the back of our door, we just installed a over-the-door mirror, and literally this is a lifesaver. I don't know how, like, people live without one. And this is like the most college outfit you'll ever see in your life. This set is from Victoria's Secret, actually. My little slipper boots are from the brand Muckluck, I think. My favorite color. You can probably guess it. Okay, so moving on from like the closet part, going this way to the right is my side. I guess I'll start with the wall art. So on this inside wall, no, I did not choose this ugly color, but it could be worse. I think each dorm is like a different color, so this puke pea green is actually not too bad compared to the others. But I just have these like 3 cork boards. I just have a bunch of random crap like cards, pictures, obviously tickets, you can see. I have this Friends like little tiny poster. This top left one, the best is yet to come. It was actually a present from my stepsister for graduation, so I'm not quite sure where she got that. This bottom frame, don't know where the actual frame is, but that's a print. Those eyes are from Kylie Jenner, and then these two like quotes are actually from Loving Tan. So there's kind of a decor hack. Use what brands send you and put them in a frame because they're really cute. This Rosé All Day, present from my sister, but I'm pretty sure she got it at Home Goods. And then right above it, the clock. No, that's not the right time, but I believe that is from Nordstrom Rack, I want to say. It's super cute, marble and rose gold, completely my aesthetic. All I need are lattes and lipstick, completely, again, true. That is actually from Hobby Lobby. And then this picture here, my friend actually made me before I went off to college. So shout out to Hales. And then You Are My Sunshine, I'm pretty sure that's from Home Goods as well. So I actually kind of do my makeup more than I study at my desk. I hate studying at a desk, like I just can't. So like I don't like it. So I usually end up moving to the futon. But anyway, so these two like cans are from Hobby Lobby. Mirrors from Ross, I want to say. It was like $8. I highly, highly, highly recommend getting, like, if you have a space under your desk, like from the shelf and the desk, definitely get a mirror. It's totally worth it. I honestly don't like do my makeup like in this mirror, but it just opens it up so much more and doesn't make it feel like such like a study area, I guess. Just have some headphones, my Beats, picture of my mom and I, shout out to mom, and then I have a bunch of like paper clips and tacks and I don't know, yep, and a little box in the back. This lamp I never use, but it's from Walmart. Actually, I guess I'll show you guys my laptop. It's actually pretty dang cute. Jogging over jogging, self-promo. Go check out my blog. It will be definitely in the link down below. This little like fake plant thing. I don't know. I think it's from Nordstrom Rack. Skull piggy bank, home goods. Then I have this little perfume section. I don't even want to talk about this section. I'm pretty ashamed of it. It's just a bunch of random papers and then a few books over there. But yeah, this is pretty much my desk section. So this pretty much sums up my desk section. Underneath I just have this crate from Target, super cute. It's like gray with rose gold handles. I just have a bunch of like school supplies down there, a garbage, another couple bags, and yeah, that's about it. The chair came with the room, don't know where that's from. This like fuzzy throw is from Home Goods. The pillow is from Hobby Lobby, I believe. I have this little like vanity mirror, highly recommend it. It lights up. I think it's from Costco actually, but yeah, it's awesome. And then I have, this actually matches the crate, just a smaller version. That's below my desk. I have like all my makeup palettes in here. I couldn't decide which ones to bring to school, so I brought nearly all of them. And then I have like my little Kate Spade wristlet here, my room key. This calendar is actually from Target's dollar section. It's super cute. And then I just have a bunch of like chokers hanging up on this command strip. And then this jewelry organizer is actually from the Container Store, as well as this like earring holder. Hanging up on like the post of my bed, I have my cute little BB backpack, my purses that I use weekly, and then that's pretty much it. Both of our beds are lofted. I really like the way we have this set up. So we have a futon. I'll just kind of give you an overview. Rug, table, then TV area. Kind of feels like we have a mini living room in like a very small space. It's super nice because we use like the dresser to hop up on because it's so much easier. And then moving on to my bed. Blanket, honestly I don't even know, maybe Home Goods. Comforter, Amazon. Body pillow from Target. Pink pillow from Home Goods. Dream catcher, I have no idea. It's really cute though. I installed these corner shelves. I would highly recommend. I think we just use like command tape. Make sure you can do that in your dorm first, but I would totally recommend doing it. We have them on like both sides, especially if your bed is lofted. And then right here I just have like a bunch of clothespins hung up with a bunch of like pictures of mine. The futon is from Walmart. Honestly, wouldn't recommend it. It's not the greatest, but it does the job. We have twinkling lights hanging from like underneath my bed. It just adds a little something, so it's not entirely ugly, I guess. I have a bunch of pillows. Like literally half my car was pillows driving up here. We have these two like gold ones are from Hobby Lobby, then the silver ones on the ends are, I believe, are from Home Goods, as well as that pink fuzzy throw. The flowers are mine. No, don't have a boyfriend. Actually, my stepdad got me these because I got in my dream school, so super cute. And they have lilies. They're like all dying except that one. It's really sad when the dead flowers in your dorm are like more spring than it is outside during the month of April. And also, this is my wonderful view. We kind of have like a makeshift TV stand here. The like actual organizers are from Target. We just have two of them. We just share like each side. And then the TV, I think it was actually from my aunt, so I could not tell you where that thing is from. It's three things. I have no idea where they're from. That's actually my roommate's. The frame is from Target, I believe, the dollar section. We have these little like twinkle lights as well. This little like ball looking thing, I don't know, like it's just, I don't know, decor from Hobby Lobby. Bunch of books. Honestly, I haven't even read all of them. If you have, let me know if they're good. And then that is from, actually, that is my roommate's. I have no idea where that like flower mason jar is from. I have a salt lamp. I don't know where that's from. You can get them so many different places, but I really like it. It's really cute. A couple more books. And then this thing is from, I think, Michael's. And then this little basket is from Walmart. Super cute. It's rose gold. I just like have all my sunglasses in here. And then this little piece, like statue thing is from Ross. And then I just have these two super cute coasters. I got them in California at the ranch at the pier on Malibu Pier. Super cute. Can't wait to put those in my future apartment. As far as these cubbies go, I just keep like sports bras, socks, like dishes in here, like just a bunch of random crap, food. But yeah, those are super nice. I would definitely recommend at least getting like one of those, even to put in your closet. All right, guys, that is it for the video. This lighting is getting really bad. It's getting super dark outside, so I'm gonna make this quick. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys got a few ideas for your room or your dorm or whatever it may be. I will definitely have an apartment tour because, as you can see, I love decorating and I want to show you guys what I did with this place. So I will definitely get that up for you guys as soon as possible. If you guys have any more video requests or ideas or anything, let me know down in the comments. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I would love for you guys to comment, like, and I will do the same thing back. I really want to know who's watching my videos, so definitely let me know, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night or whatever it may be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!